India and Oman signed the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement on Thursday in Moscow with an aim to boost economic ties between the two countries. The trade comes amid steadily expanding economic ties between the two countries. Bilateral trade stood at $8.947 billion in FY24 and rose to $10.613 billion in FY25, while investment link remained strong with more than 6,000 India-Oman joint ventures operating in Oman. The CEPA was signed when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a four-day three-nation visit. The 14th round of the India-Oman Strategic Consultative Group meeting was held in Moscow, co-chaired by Arun Kumar Chatterjee and Sheikh Khalif Al-Arthi. The talks reviewed bilateral cooperation across defense, trade, energy, investment, and people-to-people ties, and discussed regional and global issues of mutual interest. Hailing the agreement, India's Ministry of External Affairs said that PM Modi, His Majesty Sultan Hatim bin Tariq, welcomed the signing of the trade agreement as a milestone in bilateral ties. The report News Now.